Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Basics to Master Maths. In this series, we are going to learn about long division and its rules, divisibility rules, long division versus divisibility rules, when to use which and why, and also we are going to see how to quickly solve tricky questions asked in Olympiad IMO. So let's get started. Please stay with me till the end. Let us start with long division rules. These are the four important division rules. Please make a note of them as we will be discussing each one in detail in our upcoming video series. So please stay tuned. Let us understand the first rule of division with an example. Here 43 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. Step 1. Count the number of digits in the divisor. Here 5 is the divisor and it has only one digit. Step 2. Consider the same number of digits from the left of the dividend. Here 43 is the dividend. You have to consider one digit from the left of 43, that is 4. Step 3. If the number considered is smaller than the divisor, write 0 in the quotient and consider one more digit from the dividend. Here the number considered is 4, which is smaller than the divisor 5. Therefore, write 0 in the quotient and consider one more digit from the dividend for the division. Now you have 43, which is greater than 5. You can divide. 5 8s are 40. You got 3 as the remainder and 0 8 or simply 8 as the quotient. Got it? Here you have divided all the digits of the dividend. So you can say this division is completed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths, and also please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.